Are you suffering from cold, cough, sinusitis, bronchitis, bronchial asthma, wheezing, dust allergy? In fact, there are people who sneeze about 30 to 40 times when they wake up first thing in the morning. These are all lung related issues. In fact, life becomes very difficult when you go through this. What if I say that practicing one asana regularly will get rid of all these problems permanently? Right? Just one asana, if you practice regularly, you will get rid of all these problems permanently. Namaste, welcome to Yoga Siddhi. Today I am going to teach you and show you how to perform Parsvothanasana. This one asana will definitely help you to get rid of all the issues that I was discussing. All these issues are lung related. When you practice this asana, you will be doing bhastrika pranayama in this, and this will help you to improve your lung capacity. Your cardiopulmonary efficiency is highly improved and it tones up your lung like anything. I am going to show you how to perform this. For this, first I am going to take about 2.5 feet distance between my legs like this. And now I am going to put my hands together behind me. You can see like this. And then turn it upward like namaste. And take it to the chest level. Hope you understand how I am putting it. See? Like this. And push your shoulders back nicely so that you open up your chest. Now just tilt your head about 30-40 degrees, look into the ceiling, and we are going to do the bhastrika or the pumping breathing. Like this you have to do the pranayama. I hope you notice when I am doing this pranayama, you can hear both the inhale and the exhale sound. See, like this you have to do about 20 breathings. Like this 20 times you have to do. I know most of you will be thinking keeping your hands behind like a namaste is very difficult. I know, but regular practice will get you. But for those of you who wanted to start this asana immediately, what you can do is take distance and interlock your hands behind like this and push your shoulders back so that your chest opens up nicely. Put your head back and that's it. Very simple, right? This particular one, like interlocking your fingers back, is very easy to perform. And when I am doing this, if you have noticed, my shoulders or my chest is not moving. The movement is only in my core. Okay, this is how you have to practice this asana. But for children and for old people, standing like this and practicing becomes a little difficult. In fact, people who have lung issues, the severity is more, they cannot stand and do. So for those people, what they can do is they can just take a chair and sit in it comfortably. Keep your back to your backrest, interlock your hands behind like this, open the chest nicely, put your head back. Like this you have to do 20 breathings. That's it, very simple. Once you start practicing this, right from day one you will start seeing the results. But for those of you who can do it standing, you have to do the standing only. Do this asana regularly every day, minimum 20 breathings, once or twice. You will get rid of all the issues that we discussed in the first: cold, cough, sinusitis, bronchitis, bronchial asthma, wheezing problem, dust allergy, in fact anything related to your lungs. Hope you like this video. Please like and share with your loved ones. We also request you to kindly subscribe to our channel, Yoga Siddhi, the traditional yogic wisdom, and help us to spread good health. I'll meet you again with another simple asana. Until then, namaste.